A group of energetic teenagers are relaxation at a house, enjoying the comfort and tranquility of their own space, when suddenly a different group of guys, this time quite a bit more aggressive, appear at the front door and start shooting shots into the house in a frenzied manner. One of the younger kids, who were enjoying the peace and tranquility, was unlucky enough to get hit by one of the shots and suffered injuries.